Notification panels are essential in modern UI design, and this tutorial teaches you how to create one using only custom shapes in Photoshop. Create a small horizontal canvas in Photoshop. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw a rounded rectangle as the notification background. Choose a dark fill color for contrast. Now add a bell or info icon custom shape on the left side, resizing it slightly larger than the text. Add notification text beside the icon using the Type tool, keeping it concise. To enhance depth, duplicate the notification panel, place it behind, blur it lightly, and reduce opacity to simulate shadow. Finish by aligning everything neatly. Zoom out, the notification panel now looks clean, modern, and